Hi, my dear students. How are you? I am good. Are you good? Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about polynomials, types of polynomials, degree of the polynomial, and the types of polynomials are based on degree, based on number of terms, and the value of the zero, and zero polynomial, zero of the value of the polynomials. These are the topics we have completed successfully in the up to last week. So now we have discussed very important topics which are very useful to your life. Do you understand about life? These are very important. So in our 7th class we have learned some topics. So if I ask you one question, you can answer my question. That is, what is a plus b whole square? So we can tell easily, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a minus b whole square? What is a square minus b square? So up to here and some more. What is x plus a into x plus b formula? These are the completed. So now we have moved from all these, and we can move on to the some more. Those are. So now I'm writing. Keep the heading. Identities. All we just keep the heading. We just keep the topic is algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Which are very useful, students. These are direct in the exams, or in our some case in our daily life, and in our exams, and in our some of the situation. The problem is not coming to the directly. What is a plus b whole square? No one asking. They are based on the problem. We have to decide. We have to decide. So in this situation, we have to use the formula a plus b whole square. In this situation, we have to use a minus b whole square. And మనం డిసైడ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ మీద మనకి బాగా గ్రిప్ రావాలి. ఓకే, we will discuss one. First formula is a plus b whole square. The first formula is a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? Do you know a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole to the power of 2. That means what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? 2. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. If you multiply a plus b with a plus b, you will get some answer. The answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also same as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And that also, this is also same as 2ab plus a square plus b square, or 2ab plus a square plus b square, whatever. So in this way, we have to memorize, and we have to keep one point in your mind. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. If you multiply a plus b with a plus b, we are getting answer a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this two we have to keep in your mind. That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this next formula, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula for a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square, and the difference between the a square plus b whole square and a minus b whole square is the term 2ab is the only difference. 2ab has the plus and 2ab is a minus. Now the third formula is, what will you get if you add a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? What will you get? We have a plus b whole square. We have a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What will you get if you add these two terms, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? What will you get? Without doing by calculation, you can guess how it is. If you add these two, a square plus a square, 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab are cancelled. B square plus b square is 2b square. What we are getting? 2a square plus 2b square. That is 2a square plus 2b square. 2a square plus 2b square. If you come on two table, we are getting a square plus b square. 2a square. If you add these two, plus 2ab minus 2ab are cancelled. A square plus a square, 2a square. B square plus b square, 2b square. If you come the two table, you are getting a square plus b square. The same way. Now, my question is, if you subtract these two, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. If you subtract a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, so what will you get? So when we are doing the subtraction, we have to change the signs of second expression. The second expression is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then if we change the signs, plus a square becomes minus b square, minus 2ab becomes plus 3ab, plus b square becomes minus b square. So plus a square minus a square are cancelled. You can do, if you have a doubt when you are watching this class, if you have a doubt, do in your rough book. What will you get? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. If you subtract these two, what will you get? When you are doing the subtraction, you have to change the symbols of the second expression. Minus, plus, minus. These two are cancelled. What will you get? 2ab plus 2ab is 4ab. So, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Are you okay, my dear students? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Are you okay? Again, now I am giving the fifth question is, fifth formula is a square minus b square is equal to, what will you get? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. From all these, this is also most important. The most important in these are a square minus b square is equal to a square, so a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b is the positive, a plus b not whole square into a minus b whole square. These are the 5 formulas, 5 identities. 5 identities. Do you know what is the meaning of the word identity? When you are watching this class, tell me the definition of identity to me. Okay, మీరు క్లాస్ చూసేటప్పుడు ఐడెంటిటీ అంటే ఏంటి అనే డెఫినేషన్ నాకు పంపించండి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద 6th. That is a plus b whole cube. What is that? A plus b whole cube. What is that? A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to, the formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. Or we can go formula. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. How it is? You just multiply 3a into a square b plus 3a b into b square. That is, otherwise. And the 7th formula. Now this time we have to decide a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So all are minus. Here all are plus. So in this way, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a a square b, minus into minus plus, that is 3ab square. Okay, these are the 7. Now move on to the 8th formula. This is I am giving to you. You have the right answer for this question. That is the same way. What will you get? A plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube. You have the right answer. You can do the rough work and the right answer. A plus b whole cube plus a. Okay, I will give you the answer. A plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to. So if you see, a plus b whole cube is this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. What is a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is this is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. Now we are adding this one plus this one. Why? Because a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube. So a cube here a cube. A cube plus a cube is 2a cube. A cube plus a cube is 2a cube. Next, here plus b cube minus b cube. If you see here, look at the word a b cube plus minus b cube minus b cube are cancelled. Cancel one word. The next one 3a square b 3a square b. Those are the answer cancelled. But because what one is plus, one is minus. The next one, this is plus, this is plus. Those both are the same side. We have to add 3 plus 3 6ab square. What we are getting here? 6ab square. Okay, a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to 2a cube plus 6ab square. Okay, my dear students. And the next formula, that is a minus b, sorry, a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube is equal to a plus b whole cube is this is a minus b whole cube is this is. Now we are subtracting these two. That means we have to change the signs of second expression. So plus a cube becomes minus a cube, minus b cube becomes plus b cube, minus 3a square b becomes plus 3a square b, plus 3ab square becomes minus 3ab. So now we are plus minus, both are cancelled. A cube minus a cube are cancelled. This is plus b cube. B cube plus b cube is 2b cube. B cube plus b cube is 2b cube. Either plus or minus. We will say next one. Yes. This is plus 3ab square minus bb square. Plus this minus becomes plus. So 3 plus 3 6. So plus 6a square b. And the next one. This is minus, both are the cancel. So when I am explaining a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube, you have so many doubts in your mind. Alright? Your mind lo doubts vachesi. Em ardham kaladu babu. Alright? So in this way we have to do the rough work. We have to use, when you are watching this video, get your CW and also rough work beside the rough work. So first of all, we have to do here a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b? We have to do a plus b whole cube. How it becomes? I will explain the next later. So again, you can do how the answer comes. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. How it comes? Again, a minus b whole square. Is it right or wrong? Same way. If you add these two, if you subtract these two, is it right or wrong? You have to decide. The next one, I will tell you later. The next 10th formula is. This is completely different. That is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Be careful, students. This is the most important and difficult formula. A cube minus b cube. If you see here, first of all plus. Sorry, not minus. First plus, then we can go to the minus. A cube plus b cube. So where we find the a cube plus b cube? Here, a cube plus b cube. So be careful, students. I will tell you one thing. That is a plus b whole cube
and a cube plus b cube, are they equal? Are they equal? A plus b whole cube. The cube for a plus b, a and also b, and their combination a and b connected with the plus, we are applying whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube. A ni b ni కలిపి cube apply చేసినా a కి ఇండివిడ్యువల్ గా b కి ఇండివిడ్యువల్ గా cube apply చేసి యాడ్ చేసినా ఒకటేనా? Tell me your opinion. Is it equal? Not equal. These are not equal. This is the mistake we have. మీరందరూ చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఇది ఒకటి. a plus b whole cube is not equal to a cube plus b cube. The same way, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. అంటే మీరు ఒప్పుకుంటారు? a plus b whole square. Are you okay? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Is it right? Wrong. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The same way, a plus b whole cube is not equal to a cube plus b cube. This is the cube for a plus b, not for a, not for b. Their combination a plus b. There is a combination of a and b. A plus b whole cube whole power 3 is not equal to a cube plus b cube. The cube అనేది a plus b కలిపి ఉంటేనే కలిపి ఉన్నదానికి క్యూబ్. దాన్ని సెపరేట్ చేసేసి a క్యూబ్ b క్యూబ్ ఇస్తుంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. ఇది మీరందరూ చేసే కామన్ మిస్టేక్. Keep in your mind. Keep in your mind this is a plus b whole cube is not equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now we are writing the formula for a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. So here a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now I am asking, what is a cube plus b cube? We want only a cube plus b cube. The remaining terms 3ab into a plus b, no need. 3ab into a plus b, no need. So that's why I am transposing plus 3ab into a plus b to left side. Sorry, left side. So plus 3ab into a plus b becomes when it comes to the left side, the plus becomes minus. That means the formula is a plus b whole cube minus. So it plus 3ab into a plus b. Then go to the right left side. It becomes minus. So it is minus 3ab into a plus b. Minus 3ab into a plus b. Are you okay? And one more formula for a cube plus b cube. What is it? One more formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to, here plus, so now I am writing a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this term is minus. What's it there? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now 11th formula. So the same way, a cube minus b cube. We want the formula for a cube minus b cube. Where we find a cube minus b cube? Here we can find a cube minus b cube. We want a cube minus b cube. We don't want minus 3ab to a minus b. It comes to here, becomes plus. That means the formula for a plus b cube minus b cube is a minus b whole cube minus 3ab plus into 3ab plus b comes to there. That is 3ab into a minus b. So this is also same as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. That is the 11th formula. Now 12th formula. I forward the first one, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to, do you know, x plus a into x plus b. We just multiply directly. We are getting x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now 30. That is x plus a plus b, then x plus c. Here 3 times x plus a, x plus b, only 2. Now here 3 x plus a, x plus b, x plus. What is that? X cube plus, because here x into x into x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. X cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc is the 13th form. Now 14th. Now we have a plus b whole power 4. Up to 30. That's enough. These are the important formulae. What's it? I will check. Is there any? No textbook. Yeah, I forgot this. That is 4. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is also an important formula. Okay, and the 15th also there. That is also important. So that's also I'm making 15th. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, are you familiar, students? These 15 formulas, ఈ 15 formulas మన మైండ్ లో ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు కావాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో గుర్తొస్తే ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ అడిగిన వెంటనే టక్కా టక్కా చెప్పగలిగాము. సో be careful, students. I am telling you one thing. Whenever you watching this video, I will give you the plenty of work for you. That means ఈ formulas, ఈ 15 formulas నుంచి these are the 15 basic formulas. We can write from each formula. For example, if you take a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square అనే విషయం మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. కానీ సిచ్యువేషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక ఫార్ములాలో సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎవరో ఒకటి ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా రాయమని అడగదు. ఆ విషయం కూడా మనకి తెలియదు. బై ద సిచ్యువేషన్, బై ద ప్రాబ్లం వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిసైడ్ అయిపోవాలి. ఈ ఫార్ములా చూసిన వెంటనే ఈ సమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలేమో అనే గుర్తు రావాలి అంటే మీకు ఈ ఫార్ములాలో ఇక్కడ ఉండే టర్మ్స్ మీద బాగా తెలుసుకోండి. ఆ టర్మ్స్ ఏముంటాయి? ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది, బి స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది, 2ab ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ab, సో వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. Are you okay? So from one formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, from that a plus b whole square formula we can write 5 more formulas. 5 more formulas. These 5 more formulas are called as auxiliary formulas. Auxiliary, one formula to some more formulas. Some more formulas. So these some more formulas is also useful. కానీ మనం అలా ఒక్క ఫార్ములా నుంచి 5 ఫార్ములాస్ రాయగలుగుతున్నామే ఆ విషయం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ఒక ఫార్ములా నుంచి 5 ఫార్ములాస్ రాయగలిగితే ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 15 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే
అంటే దీనికి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక 15 5 75 ఫార్ములాస్ యాడ్ అవుతాయి. 75 ప్లస్ 15 ఇస్ 90 ఫార్ములాస్. సో మ్యాథ్స్ మీకు ఓన్లీ 90 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా చాలా చాలా ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా చదువుకుంటూ పోతే ఫార్ములాసే మిగులుతాయి. కానీ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ 15 ఫార్ములాస్నే మనం చదవాలి. కానీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం మన ఫార్ములాని జనరేట్ చేయగలం. ఈ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి అంటే మనకి ఏ ప్లస్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి అనే విషయం మనకి తెలియదు. ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఏ ప్లస్ ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఏ ప్లస్ ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ లో మనకి 2 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది యూజ్ చేయాలా, ఇది యూజ్ చేయాలా, ఇది తెలియాలి అంటే వీటి మీద మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి తీరాలి. హార్డ్ వర్క్, వెరీ హార్డ్. సపోజ్ చేసి వదిలేస్తుంటే పట్టుకోవాలి ఒక ఫార్ములా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ నౌ. సో whenever watching this video, ఈ వీడియో చూసేటప్పుడు 2 weeks కి ఈ క్లాస్నే చూడండి. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద వర్క్ చేయండి. వీక్ అంతా వర్క్ చేయండి. ఎలా సార్, ఫస్ట్ ఎవరైతే బాగా మ్యాథ్స్ చేయాలి, మ్యాథ్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ నాకు ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని బాగా గ్రిప్ ఉండాలి అనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళు. అలాగే ఎందుకంటున్నారంటే కొంతమంది చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. దే కెన్ ఫోకస్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ టైం, మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ దే కెన్ ఫోకస్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్. సో నా A plus, take the first. So when you are watching this video, first keep the heading on algebraic identities. So when we have to use the CW and the rough note beside and the homework book also. These three: homework book, CW, HW, and rough note. First, A plus B whole square is equal to, don't write the answer. Don't write the answer. So you can do in your own. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A plus B into A plus B. You have to multiply yourself. You have to multiply A plus B with A plus B. You have to multiply A plus B with A plus B. So you can multiply. So you will get the answer. You will get the answer. Now you have to verify with my answer in the video. If they are equal, now we can write it equal to C square plus D square plus 2AB or A square plus 2AB plus B square. You have to use that. So after A plus B in the notebook, you have to use different letters X, Y. Or ST or UV or AC or CD or names or your name and your friend name or village names or country name, whatever. So we can use 2 different unknown quantities like AB. So you can write the formula in the rough. Do the rough for 1 to 2 pages. అలా ఒక సమ్ చేసేసి వచ్చేసినప్పుడు వెరీ గుడ్ అని రాసేకండి. Do something, some for we have to set the target. 10 problems for one formula. 10 formulas, 10 no. So if you are getting some doubts in the 10 formulas, you can do 20. After that, second formula, A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. What is the answer for if you add these two? What is the answer for subtraction? This is also important formulas. Next, A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus. This is a very important formula. Very important formula. A plus B into A minus. This is A square minus B square. This is A cube minus B cube. This is squares. Those are the cubes. But here only the term A minus B only equal. The remaining are different. Okay. Do this. Multiply A plus B with A minus B. A plus B with A minus B. If you get A square minus B square or not, have to check. After A and B, you can use different letters. X, Y. X plus Y into X minus Y. What will you get? U plus B into U minus B. What will you get? S plus T into S minus T. What will you get? Next, A plus B whole square. So up to here, we can complete one session. One session means some particular time. If you are completed, so the 5 problems in your mind. 5 problems బాగా వచ్చేసి వెరీ గుడ్ అనుకున్న తర్వాత కొంత గ్యాప్ తీసుకుంది. Now coming to the A plus 2. These 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 in one session. So 4 plus 2. These 6 formulas in single session. Another session. అంతేగాని ఒక టైం బట్టి నువ్వు కేసు కూర్చో. This A plus B whole cube is equal. A plus B whole cube means A plus B whole cube means A plus B into A plus B into A plus B into A plus B. Am I right? A plus B whole cube is A plus B into A plus B into A plus B. So now I am writing A plus B into A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. I can write like this. A plus B into A plus B whole square.
A plus B as it is. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now multiply both. A plus B into A square plus 2AB plus B square. If you get the answer, this is the answer. Here chest the answer is A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. And answer make vastadi. So from last two terms, 2 is the common. If you see that 3 is the common, and also A square and A is the common. B and B square, B also common. If you take 3A as a common here only A is here B. So that is 3AB into A plus B. And we should be another useful. If you multiply A plus B with A plus B whole square, you are getting this answer. From last two terms, from the third term and the fourth term, if you take 3AB as a common term, you are getting 3AB into A plus B. Same way, A minus B whole cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. So A minus B whole cube means A minus B into A minus B into A minus B. Take A minus B as the common term. So A minus B into A minus B whole square. Write the formula for A minus B whole square. Now you can multiply both. You will get A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. In these two terms, minus 3AB as the take as the common. 3 is the common. A means A square means A as the common. A is the remaining. Plus minus as the minus into minus plus. Here 3A B square. This is the term. After that, what will you get? Doing this rough work for A plus B whole cube plus A plus B whole cube and A minus B whole cube in the rough book lo chesi appudu maatrame CW answer meeku ardham avadu ventane the same way what will you get? A plus B whole cube plus A minus B whole cube రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఈ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఈ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా రావాలో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే ఈ రెండింటి సబ్ A plus B whole cube minus A minus B whole cube do in your rough book చేయకుండా ఆన్సర్ రాయొద్దు. So subtract చేస్తే 2B cube plus 3A 6A square. After that A cube plus B cube is equal to, so A cube plus B cube here, the remaining term 3AB into A plus B transfers to this side. That is plus 3AB into A plus B comes to here, it becomes minus 3AB into A plus B. That is the first one. The second one is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. And you Rajan, correct kada? You have to check. You have to multiply A plus B into this one. A plus B into A plus B with A square minus AB plus B square. What is the multiplication, student? A with all the terms, B with all the terms. Now add, combine all the terms. If you combine all the terms, so except the two terms, the remaining are will be cancelled. So remaining two terms are A cube plus B cube. Same way for A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube here. We want A cube minus B cube only. The remaining term we no need. So transfers to left side. Minus 3AB into A minus B becomes plus. This is that one. This is another formula is this. So if you multiply these two, you are getting A cube minus B cube. So this is the second session. And second session అంటే ఒకసారి కూర్చున్నాం అంటే ఈ 5 ఫార్ములాస్ లేదా గ్రిప్ వచ్చే వరకు చేయండి. 2 hours 3 hours ఒక రోజు. మళ్ళీ ఈ 6 ఫార్ములాస్ వచ్చే వరకు ఒకసారి. తర్వాత ఈ 2 into 4 first x plus a into x plus b. You can multiply x plus a with x plus b, just direct multiplication, like a plus b into a plus b, like a plus b whole square into a plus b into a plus b. Ala chesara ala x plus a into x plus b plus x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This time 3 terms, x plus a into x plus b into x plus. Already x plus a into x plus b answer మనకు తెలుసు, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. If you take x plus c is another term by multiplication, you are getting this much of answer. Be careful, student. This x is here, like this here. X cube plus here only 2 terms means x square, 3 terms means x cube. Only 2 terms a and b. Here 3 terms, so a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus c into x plus ab. That is next. Third one. First of all, the 50. Prepare the 50th one. A cube plus b cube minus. This is LHS and RHS. Take RHS. Multiply a plus b plus c with all the terms. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A plus b plus c to multiply చేయండి. Multiply చేస్తే ఈ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా? ఈ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. From RHS to LHS. From RHS to LHS. Now the last formula. In this formula, I am asking the 15th formula is based on the 14th. So 14th is based on 15th. if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, ఇది 0 అయితే a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that means 0 into anything is equal to 0. That means whole RHS is 0. That means aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc is equal to 0. Minus bbabc comes to right side, it becomes plus. So aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc. That is the formula. When you are writing, you have to write this is 15, this is the formula 14. Be careful, student. Take 2 classes, 2 weeks for all these formulas. Then you get the all formulas. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు బాగా వస్తాయో అప్పుడే మన సబ్జెక్ట్లో మంచి గ్రిప్ వస్తుంది. అది ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.